Right now I'm fixing my power steering. When I received the motor, the power steering reservoir wasn't taking off, it was broken off. You can see that right there. But in order to get it off, it has two metal tabs. You can kind of see them there, one right there and one right there, and that's in a weird area. You probably have to pull the pump off in order to get to them. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to super glue it back on, and see if that works out. If not, I just have to buy a new sleeve and remove the pump and the pump pulley and everything. So I'm gonna do that and I'm gonna go from there. I got some super glue right here, Scotch, no run gel. So I'm gonna try this. Say permanent hold, dries quickly. You can use it on almost anything: wood, rubber, vinyl, ceramic, plastics. So I'm gonna give it a shot and see how it goes. All right, so I got the super glue on the edge. You can see, and I'm gonna place it right there on the top and right there in the niche. So we'll see how it goes. That reservoir has a hole that has a gasket on it, so you have to place the gasket to the inside. So you can see it got a good seal. Good seal on that side. We got a good seal on that side. Looks like it's pretty. Like it's gonna work out pretty good. So I'm gonna let it seal and go to the next. Alright, I'm gonna hit this with the heat gun a little bit. I got this heat gun, a small one. I'm heat it with the heat gun a little bit, just to make sure that it dries. Go from there. I'm gonna give it a second and I'm gonna tap back in.